This is an Amtrak swing bridge built in 1984, replacing the earlier swing bridge used by the Amtrak Railroad. Now, this bridge crosses the Shaw's Cove or Coits Cove, located in New London, Connecticut. You see, this is still in use now. This is a modern type of swing bridge. Look at all the details on this bridge. And it swings aside for boats and ships, and it swings back for transit traffic, AM traffic, train traffic, railroad. And so, so this is called the Coats Cove Railroad Swing Bridge, and used by the Amtrak. And this is a polygraph woven through truss swing bridge. This is a modern type, and it's still in service. So it's located in New London, Connecticut.